Yung tatay ko, nandyan yan. Kasi handa talaga siya na if ever it will come to yung nangyari sa kanya. Kasi kilala namin yung tatay namin, he will fight for his people, the Filipino people. Because he fought for Davao City.
Magandang araw po sa ating lahat. God bless Philippines. This is Councilor Danny Dayang Hirang. Ang ganda ng Pilipinas. Mahalin po natin ito. Pag-uusapan po natin today yung young generation, the new milestone of young politics dito sa Pilipinas. Ito po ay headed by Mayor Basti Duterte, of course with Vice President Sara Duterte. So whether you like it or not, ito yung bagong classification ng mga new politics or young politician. And we can classify this in different angles, no? Good or bad. But dito tayo sa future, positive and good. Sinong composition ito? Nandyan si Congressman Leveste ng Batangas. Nandyan si Congressman Barsaga ng Cavite. And I remember we have Mayor Evangelista of Kidapawan City. And maraming mga young generation. And I remember, merong bata na si Governor Pax Mangundadato, yung young generation. Ito yung makikita mo sa kailang modulation sa voice nila, sa aura. These are the new generation of young politicians. If you look at it, the background is that these are the families coming from prominent political personalities na merong resulta. I just want to focus for the meantime dito kay Mayor Baste and Vice President Sara. Lahat ito ay dumaan ng Mayor, Vice Mayor at lumaki sa philosophy of governance of President Rudy Duterte. And dito makikita natin mga kababayan na itong grupo ni Basti Duterte, pati yung voice modulation niya, almost the same sa kanyang father. Mapagbiro. The same minsan si Vice President Sara Duterte, ganun din. And what is good to these people, merong guts, no? Very passionate. Passionate, ibig sabihin, kuwan sila sa kanilang aksyon. Si Miao Barsaga, Miao ang tawag, Congressman Barsaga. Meron pa siyang symbol, no? Kasama niya yung kanyang pusa, young, and lumalaban at suspended. I do not know kung makakabalik na. Si Leveste, if you remember, ito yung nagpahuli ng isang Department of Public Works personnel who attempted to, siguro may mga transaction, pinahuli niya at nag-file siya ng kaso. So ito sila lahat merong impact. When I say impact, talagang accepted. Except they were not given the chance to be given a project or project implementation. But in the case of Sara Duterte, it has been proven that both Dutertes, the Sara Duterte and Mayor Baste, were able to continue and sustain what the father started in the city of Davao. In the case of Sara Duterte, yung kanyang project na 911, comprehensive approach on the peace and order. And very consistent siya doon. Kaya nalinis yung lungsod ng Davao sa revolutionaries. Yung gusto magpalit ng gobyerno, yung NPA. So, dito sa Davao, peaceful na. And this was sustained by Mayor Sara Duterte. Walang takot and very sensitive sa governance. Itong mga tao nito, walang pili. If you remember, si Vice President Sara, galing lang sa Ifugao. From the north, lumipad hanggang Tawi-Tawi, hanggang Hulo. Aparito, Hulo, Sulo. Yun yung kanta nun, di ba? Yung from galing dito sa north hanggang sa dulo. And these are the young generation of leadership. I remember, si Sara, Vice President Sara, yung school na hindi napuntahan ng kahit sino ay napuntahan niya, ay inabot niya. Kasi may mga school na sa tuktok and the Vice President was able to do it. Yung pinakialaman, yung kanyang trabaho sa Department of Education and Culture and Sports at masisira, mismo umalis, umiwas siya. So, this is about good governance, anti-corruption. But of course, itong mga sikat, vulnerable, sa atake. When a mango tree bears beautiful fruits, talagang upakan ka dyan. Pag ang mangga ay napakagandang inog na inog, pipintikin yan. And ganun sa politics. That is why makikita natin ngayon yung support ng sambayan Pilipino kasi hindi mo na rin matago eh. Unlike before, pwede mong i-control sa isang television, but now it cannot. Lahat nakikita. Anywhere you go ay nakikita. That is why, sa lahat ng survey, consistent yung result ni Vice President Sara Duterte. Now, in the case of the young generation, these are the new milestone. Of course, yung iba nasa kongreso, mga bata, you can easily compare them in terms of behavior and character. At the same time, dito sa nakikipaglaban. So, mga kaibigan, ito yung bantayan natin. The young generation are coming in as a new political milestone, bagong dekada ng mga kabataan. And this is a politics of issues. Hindi dito sila namimersonal. They presented presentation and expose and oppose. The same with Congressman Lebeste and Congressman Barsaga. These are new generation. Now, hanggat sa muli, this is Councilor Danny Dayang Hirang. Ang ganda ng Pilipinas. Mahalin po natin ito. God bless Philippines. See you next time and bye-bye for now.
A political analyst, Danny Dayang Hirang, shares his commentaries and analysis on the latest issues. As a veteran public servant, offering his insights and critical thinking. As an educator, he speaks the truth that matters. Our seasoned legislator, Danny Dayang Hirang, is live every Monday, Wednesday, and Fridays. Follow us on our social media platforms for more details. Mahalin natin ang Pilipinas.